So here perhaps you can be able to remember that Harappa in the present Pakistan on the bank of river Ravi, there is a two rows of six granaries with big platform, stone symbol of Lingam and Yoni, mother goddess sculpture, wheat and barley in wooden mortar, there is a dice and there is a copper scale and mirror also. The generally female used to carry this mirror and all. Moreover, sculpture of dog chasing a deer in bronze metal and a red sandstone male torso have been excavated. So I think you are able to understand where the Harappa is and all the different facts. Another one that we can see, Mohenjodaro. It is also in the present Pakistan on the river Indus. It is on the bank of river Indus. Remember, there is an, I said, citadel, the great bath, the great granary, post cremation burial, sculpture of bearded priest, the famous bronze statue of dancing girl, there is an also dancing girl, and Pashupati Shil. Remember that in the present Pakistan, this Mohenjodaro is in the present Pakistan on the river Indus. There is a citadel, there is a great bath, the great granary, the post cremation burial, and then sculpture of bearded priest. वहाँ पे sculpture of bearded दाढ़ी वाला priest, the famous bronze statue of dancing girl, and Pashupati seal. These are the things which has been found in the related to art and culture, that is in Mohenjodaro. Here, if I see like in the India, so river Indus is going like this. River Indus is going like this, and the Ravi river you have seen that there is a Harappa, and here we can be able to see Mohenjodaro. Mohenjodaro on the bank of the river Indus. Mohenjodaro. So I said in the Mohenjodaro, God Mohan, that is Krishna itself, the Mohan has got up. Mohan has got up, and he went to a citadel. He went to a citadel. Citadel means I said that uplifted portion on the वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ देयर एनी इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन का पश्चिमी भाग जो वेस्टर्न पार्ट था उठा हुआ था और यहाँ पे अर्बन एरिया था. देयर इज एन व्हाट अर्बन प्लानिंग, अर्बन एरियाज आर देयर, बिल्डिंग्स, रोड्स एंड ऑल आर देयर. देयर इज एन लोअर अर्बन टाउन, ये लोअर अर्बन टाउन, एंड दिस इज व्हाट सिटाडल. सो व्हाट आई सेड, मोहन हैज़ गॉट अप, मोहन उठे इस मॉर्निंग में, सिटाडल पे गए, वहाँ पे उन्होंने ग्रेट बाथ, वहाँ पे जो गड्ढा था इसमें इन्होंने क्या लिया, इन्होंने बाथिंग किया, बाथिंग. आफ्टर बाथिंग देयर इज अ प्रीस्ट कैम्प, वहाँ पे प्रीस्ट आए, एक पंडित आए, दोनों मिलकर दे हैव टेकन फूड, ग्रैनरी खाया उन्होंने, तो देयर इज अ ग्रेट ग्रैनरी. सो अगेन मोहन हैज़ गॉन टू द सिटाडल, वहाँ पे बाथिंग किया ग्रेट बाथ में, and then along with the priest they have eaten a granary. Then they have gone for worship to the Pashupati. Pashupati भगवान का उन्होंने worship किया, Pashupati. They have done the worship of Pashupati, and after that they went for watching a dance of a dancing girl. उन्होंने dancing girl का dance देखा. Yes, so this way we can be able to see. So in Mohenjodaro we can be able to see the better architecture of citadel. There is a great bath, there is a great granary, there is an, I said that bearded priest, there is a seal of पशुपति, seal था, एक seal होता है मोहर टाइप, और उसमें पशुपति भगवान का फोटो बना हुआ है. there is an, I said that पशुपति, and there is a dancing girl. उन्होंने उसके बाद वहाँ पे क्या देखा, the girl dancing. This way you can be able to remember, and it is at the bank of what, Indus river, not Ravi. Harappa is on Ravi river. So here we can see that Mohenjodaro is in the present Pakistan on the river Indus. There is a citadel, the great bath, the great granary, and post cremation burial. There is an also the वो dancing girl को उन्होंने kill करके burial में दबा दिया. Sculpture of bearded priest, the famous bronze statue of dancing girl, bronze made, remember, and Pashupati seal. This way you can also remember that what are the feature at Mohenjodaro. Is it okay? I think you are able to remember and understand